What is up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. I have here the Ninja Foodi, which is an 8-quart deluxe tender crispy pressure cooker. That's a lot to say. Anyways, this thing has all the bells and whistles. It can air fry, it can dehydrate, it can pressure cook, it can oven, pretty much anything you want. You can make yogurt in it. This is going to be the unboxing of it. So this is from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Let's go ahead and start. So this thing is a massive box. A humongous box. Oh. I just got here today. Whoa. There's another box within a box. Oh. You guys see that? Oh. Oh. Alright. Alright, box within a box. This is what she looks like. Ginormous machine. I don't even think I have room for this, honestly. This thing is huge, guys. Look at this. Ninja Foodi Deluxe pressure cooker. 8 quarts. It can pressure, steam, slow cook yogurt, sous vide, sear, saute, air crisp, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, and reheat your food. This thing can pretty much do a lot. It comes with like a little recipe booklet as well. I've been wanting one of these for a while, since our Kosori pot took a dump on us, and it was past the year warranty, and well, that's it. That's all she wrote. And we haven't been able to make good steamed rice in a while. So yeah, this is the way she looks. I forgot to show you the back of the box here. Kind of shows you all the little beautiful food you can make with this thing. And yeah, let's just go ahead and start. So this is pretty much what it looks like from the top. This thing is massive. So we got the instruction manual right here with the little recipe booklet right on the top. Nice to have. Here's the rack. I guess this is like one of the dehydrator racks that it comes with. Pretty nice. Also, the plug. Ginormous plug, by the way. My Kosori did not have a plug like that. So there's the top right there. This is the actual machine. This one here, this is the pressure cooker, or the pressure cooker lid. So let me take it out of here. Oh, that's it. So there you go. Taking it out. Nice lid. I do like the gasket that it has around it. It looks like it's gonna last longer than my other one. I do like the pressure cooking stuff. The O-ring here is really big. Here's the top of it, and the valve. Here we go, to vent and to tighten. It's a nice, pretty good lid. All right, so now let's take it out. Or here's another rack here. I wonder what this one's for. So here's the other rack right here. This one folds in, and you can see it goes inside the pot, extends out. I don't know why, maybe just for shipping purposes. But yeah, that's it for that one. That's that rack. And then we got the actual machine. Oh. Let's get the box out of there. Alrighty, guys, so this machine again is super heavy. It's just covered with a plastic bag here. Here's the top, nice and shiny. This is the air fryer top here. Let's see. How do we open this thing? Where's the clamshell? Oh, it opens from this side. Oops. So what do we got inside now? Let me get all these plastic wrappers out of here. Well, this is the other rack I didn't even get to open. I'm thinking this goes on the bottom for a lower tier of cooking. And then here's the machine. There we go. And here is the basket for the air frying. Pretty decent sized basket. It's not the biggest I've seen, but it's a decent sized basket for air frying. You make some good French fries with this, probably. And then down here, more cardboard, and here's the actual pot. All right, so the pot, to tell you guys, this is an aluminum pot. It is not stainless steel, so just be aware of that. It does have a non-stick coating inside that will prevent food from sticking, which is nice. You just don't want to be scraping it or using heavy things on it, because you might scratch it and then it'll get messed up. So inside the pot, we see the heating element, or the connector for the heating element, and on top of the machine is the heating element for the air frying and the fan. So this is what's going to give you that air crispiness, that convection style oven of the machine, and that's pretty neat. The only thing I see that's pretty problematic is, you know, that you have to have two lids. You have to have a lid put away somewhere, and when you're cooking, this thing is not removable, so you can't just take it off. You would have to set it to the side, just like how it is here, and it looks kind of funky, you know? But hey. Alrighty, so on the back here, we got a little tray to, I guess, to catch all the water that comes from the steam. And, alright, so let's change the camera angle. Let me show you the machine from the front. Alrighty, guys, so here's the machine from the front. It is a really nice machine. This thing is huge, though, okay? This is my head. This thing, even my head fits inside this pot. That's how big this is. Okay, so definitely you can probably cook a whole chicken in here, which is really nice. I don't know if you'd be able to crispify a whole chicken in this basket, but if you pressure cook the chicken, you could just leave it in there and then just turn on the heating element from the top and crispy the chicken on the outside. Might do a recipe like that. That'd be nice. It'll be nice and fun. And then this definitely doesn't fit in here. So this is probably like the dehydrator rack. This thing here, yeah, this thing will not fit in here either. This is another part of the racking system. So here's the rack, and I'm assuming the way it goes is like that.
2 hours later.
I'm assuming that's the way it goes in the pot. Not the most... There you go. You guys see that right there? Hope you guys can. So basically that's how it'll fit inside the pot, in case you want to have like a two-tier or a racking system inside. Pretty neat. Pretty cool for dehydrating and stuff. So the air fryer basket, it does have some type of heat-resistant plastic on the bottom that prevents it from sitting all the way inside the pot. So there's the inside of the pot in case I didn't show you guys. And again, this is aluminum. So this thing just goes inside. And then that's what creates like crispy fries and, you know, crispy chicken. So overall, machine's pretty good. Here's the back of the machine. Again, this is the little cup right here for all the liquid that comes out of the machine when you're steaming or when you're cooking rice and stuff like that. So that goes in there. It opens up from, if you're looking in front of the machine from the left-hand side, it opens up. There's a bit of scuffing on top of this thing. I don't know if that's normal from the factory, but there's a bit of scuffing on there. It looks like it's no problem. The heating element, that might be a problem in the future. I do have an air fryer right now, and my gripe with it is that I can't really clean that heating element or this rack on the top. It's kind of really difficult to get to it, but I think it'll last a long time. I think if you clean it right away, it should be able to come off pretty quick. So essentially, if you're gonna air fry, throw in the pot, like so. Add your crisper, and close the lid. And that's it, you're ready to air fry. And then you set your settings here in the front. Let me connect it for you so you guys can see it. So there it is, guys. That's how it looks turned on. And you can change the functions by just moving the knob around. So you can set it to what you're going to use it for. You know, what setting you're going to need. Pressure cook, steam, slow cook, sous vide, sear, saute. It's really neat. And it's kind of, it actually keep your food warm, which is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, I mean, what else can I show you? There's vents in the back of the machine, there's vents in the front, there's vents on the top for the air fryer. I don't know what else to show you guys other than this thing's a beast. Oh, I forgot to show you this. So this is the instruction manual that it comes with. And here is the pressure cooker recipe book that it comes with as well. You can go to youtube.com/EP Ninja Kitchen, and I'm assuming they have videos up there of how to cook certain things. Oh man, baked macaroni and cheese in a pot? Yes, please, thank you. Herb roasted chicken in a pot? Yes, thank you. Crispy wings in a pot? Yes, thank you. Pepperoni pizza pasta bake? I don't know about that. Chicken pot pie? No freaking way. I want to try that actually. That'll be cool to see a chicken pot pie getting cooked in here. Queso fundido, chicken thigh pad thai, pork chops. Oh man, there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna have to try some of these recipes out. If you guys want to see videos on that, let me know in the comments below and we can get some of these videos that are in the recipe book out there. That's if they haven't already done. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. This is the Ninja Foodi. So I don't know, I think I showed the lid, but just in case if I didn't, it does have the lid here. It does have a vent, just like a Kasori pot or an Instapot. It does have the steam vent. And again, the gasket that's inside seems pretty durable. It's black. It doesn't look cheap. It feels really nice. The lid is locking lid, so I guess when you are pressure cooking, oh, that's what I forgot to show you. How does it look when you're pressure cooking? So let's just assume that I'm pressure cooking. Let me put the gasket back in here. Let's pretend I am pressure cooking. Let's see how it looks. Let's see, how does this thing go? There we go. Alright, so this is the way it looks when you're pressure cooking. So like that, and then once you're done pressure cooking, whatever, if you're cooking a chicken, pop it up, close the lid, and now you're gonna make crispy chicken. So that's pretty neat. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all you get. Machine, you got the lid, you got the basket for the air frying, you got your dehydrating rack for cooking chicken or different, things inside. At the same time, you have this, the heating element, the steam vent, the water collector. I don't know. I don't think I'm missing anything. Instruction manual. Yeah, that's about it. It does come with like a quick start guide to help you get cooking with your foodie. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And again, if you guys have any recipes that you want to get done on here, like maybe if you guys want to know how to cook a chicken noodle soup in here, we'll gladly show you how to do that. Or if you want to learn how to make, I don't know, enchiladas in here, I could gladly do that for you guys. Just let me know. Let's see. I think this is going to be a good Ninja. I've had the blender, which is good, so I don't see why not. So I want to thank Armin for helping me film this video. And yeah, guys, that's going to be it for us. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.